Megan, will you take Joel as your wedded husband, as your companion and best friend for life? Will you treat him with love, devotion, honor, and respect? Will you stand by him in the triumphs and tragedies of life as a faithful and caring wife for all of your days?
I will.
Megan and Joel, the vows that you are about to exchange serve as a reflection of the love that you have just promised to one another. It is not only the words that you speak today which will unite you together as one, but also the inner sense of love and commitment that each of you feels within your soul. No other human ties are as tender, no other vows more sacred than those you are now about to repeat. I, Joel, take you, Megan,
I, Joel, take you, Megan,
as my wedded wife,
as my wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish for all my days. Megan? I, Megan, take you, Joel,
I, Megan, take you, Joel,
as my wedded husband,
as my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish
for all my days.
for all my days.
Festus, do you carry the symbols of the vows and promises which have just been spoken? And may I say Catherine?